It is very impressive how big they are, the pyramids, and they are very nice. They are something magic. I went inside the Khafre Pyramid, and I went inside the Belzoni chamber. I also lied inside the sarcophagus, let's call it like that, but it's not a sarcophagus, and just to feel the vibrations that were transmitted by the pyramid. It's very amazing. Today is also nice because I am with my friend Jay.Unity. And thank you, Jay. And we are enjoying this very nice plateau. It is the best expression of humanity, of perfection, resonance.
Being here for yourself and seeing it for the first time, do you get a stronger feeling about what your team has been discovering and what it might mean?
Yes, because we are watching with our eyes, not anymore watching things by the radar from space, and it's really nice. And I also thanks everyone, so Professor Corrado Malanga and Armando May for helping us, and also all the people that are supporting us. I thank Jay Anderson and all his fans, everyone, to broadcast our news, to help us.
Oh, I'm happy to be here and support your mission because it is worthwhile and it's something that needs to be revealed, I believe, for humanity.
I agree with you, Jay. It has to be revealed. I think that now anything can go back. We have to go straight, and we have a plan. We have a plan to clean the shafts, or one of the shafts that we have explored just now. And in our personal opinion, those shafts give us in the entrance into the hidden city that is below the plateau.
هادين شالي وما زرنا النودالي وبعرضي ما فيش حاجة وخليني داير ورا ذالي وين في عظمي باجي مع بسمي بعويش